Namaste friends, welcome back to Pavi Tech Zone. In this video, we will see how to run your project or application in the real Android phone, where you can easily connect your Android phone to the Android Studio and view the results in your Android phone without going with the virtual Android device. So stay tuned until end and don't miss to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. So the first step is to enable USB debugging in your Android phone. For that, open your Android phone, open the settings and search for about phone. Next, search for build number. So in my device it has been given as build number, and in some devices it will be given as IMEI number. So you must tap it for 7 times. So enter your phone password. So as you can see the pop-up message as you are now a developer. So go back, search for developer options. Click on developer options, and here you need to search for USB debugging. So here you can find the USB debugging option, enable it, allow USB debugging, click on OK. Now we have successfully completed our first step. Now second step is to connect your mobile to the Android Studio. Take the USB cable, connect your mobile to your device with the USB cable. So when you connect your mobile to the PC through the USB cable, you will get a notification in the mobile phone. So there, tap on file transfer. So now we have successfully connected our mobile to the Android Studio. Now we will launch our Android Studio in our device. Search for Android Studio. So we will continue with the same project, Hello World app. So click on it. So as you can see in your mobile phone, you got the message to allow USB debugging. Click on Allow. So now your phone is successfully connected to the Android Studio. As you can see on top, our device name is being visible, Motorola Moto G34 5G. So I am using the same device. Now you can easily run your application in the Android phone. So we will change the activity main.xml to view the changes. Open the activity main.xml file. Here you have text hello world. So we will change it to hello friends. So here you have the run application button. Click on it. As you can see here, Gradle build running. We will wait for a few seconds. When the Gradle file is successfully built, it will automatically launch the project in your Android phone. So as you can see, Gradle build finished and it has been successfully launched into your Android device. So as you can see in your Android phone, hello friends message has been displayed. So when you come back, Here, as you can see, the Hello World app has been displayed. So as you can see here, Hello World name is being displayed. So when you click on it, Hello Friends is being displayed. So this was all about today's video, how you can run your project or application in the real Android phone. I hope this was helpful. So if you are happy with the video, please give like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.